CBAI.
Hey, what's going on? This is Cam Dean. You're watching CBAI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can craft your own unique signature artist sound by using a latest tool dropped by Suno. It is called the Create Custom Model feature. In today's example, I'm going to take elements of modern, gent polyrhythmic type metal, some 90s smooth jazz vibes with the smooth jazz flute in there. Some bossa nova nylon string guitar riffs, drum and bass type sounds, '80s metal guitar leads like epic guitar solos, some synthwave sounds, and then also some Latin percussion instruments. And we'll even try to throw in some more and try to blend that all into one unique sound. What you're going to do is actually create sort of your own custom AI model based on trained on your music and what you've done, and then you will use that to further refine what your style is. Don't forget to check the link in the description below. I've got a affiliate link for Suno, so if you're not a user yet, go ahead and use that when you sign up and subscribe, because every time you do that, it helps this channel put out more and more content. So let me jump in there and show you what I'm talking about. So I'm in Suno, I've got my workspace open. Go up to your picture of your profile to pick the version, click the drop down, and then you will see a Create Custom Model button. So you will click that, and then you can name the model if you want to. I named mine already. Okay, so maybe I'll call this one Good Mood Metal 2. And then what you need to do is upload the body of work that you want to train this model on. Now, they say that the wider variety of music you put in here, it may get a little bit less precise, which is kind of expected. So if you're really trying to narrow down a specific sound and you already have that work, you may want to just upload those similar sounding tracks. But for my purposes, I've always been interested in blending genres and doing mashups or trying to create an entirely new genre, a new sound of music, especially with metal. Personally, I really love metal, but I've been kind of bored like with kind of where it's at. So I've been trying to find ways to make it sound kind of more melodic again and more harmonic. Versus trying to be like extreme or trying to be like a sports contest, even though I was into that for a while. But now I'm more into like vibes. So I'm going to try to do that today. And so I'm using work that I've already created in Suno, which I was always experimenting with Suno since I started using it to try to create these new genres, to add in styles that are unexpected, like take a flute, like a jazz flute, and put it into a metal track and make it kind of like genty style or like math metal, and make the metal very like harmonic and yet intense, like still keep that vibe going. That's the example I'll be going with today, and then also try to like meld in something else like a drum and bass or like a trumpet, or meld in some good mood type music in there, synthwave, stuff like that. So to shorten this, you need to upload whatever music you want to so you can sort of create your own AI model inside Suno, your own custom model. So let me show you what that looks like. You could just click on the track up here to add them one at a time, or you can bulk upload it. So in here, I've got a bunch of songs that I can upload into Suno. And then you also, if you've been uploading your original music into Suno already, you could go down here and start picking those. So there's a couple ways you could do it. So let's say I just wanted to combine maybe this one, and let's try this one and this one. I will open them, I'll drop them in, and then it's going to start loading. So I will wait for that screen to load. When I was recording this, I forgot that you have to add at least 6 tracks. Now it says upload 24 plus for best results. I'm not going to do that today, but I am going to upload a couple more, so just pull some more in there. All right, so now once you've uploaded and has fully finished uploading all of your tracks to train this custom model on, you are going to go down to the Create Custom Model button. I believe this takes 100 credits, but it's pretty awesome. So go ahead and click the button, Create Custom Model. And it's going to give you a screen. This may have been updated since now. So this is what it's going to say roughly. It's going to give you a screen that says your model's cooking, and then you'll just wait for it. It will take a while. I mean, you're training a model on a lot of songs, so go ahead and go do whatever else you got to do. Go get a coffee break, go get a drink of water. Let's give a listen to the various types of music that I've used to create my model. I've done more than what the previous example was. I've combined essentially all of these pieces of music, which I also did create in Suno, but you don't have to have created them in Suno. So let me give you a listen, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So for example, I'm kind of like trying to create these good vibe, good mood metal, chill metal almost tracks. So I've got a few of those. So for example, I've got these ones here. We'll give those a quick listen. And another one. That one's got kind of a polyphia type vibe. Love that style. A little bit of djent in there with the polyrhythms and the chunky sounding, but and like some happy vibes at the same time. Still metal. There's some pretty heavy parts in this one too, like this. And then I've got another one. Let's give that a listen. Okay, some more jazz elements mixed in with that heavy, djenty type metal, chunky. And then I got another one for you. This one, actually, I got a trumpet in there. That was tricky, but I got a trumpet in the Suno track with metal in it, so. Side note, I get that it's not like as distorted as some metal, but to me it is. Whatever. This one, I was trying to get in some 90s smooth jazz, and I got some flute into it. I will say it's probably a little on the corny side, but hear me out, because if you have that music and you're working with it, I think this is a great way to try and put it in your model. So give that a listen. Here's another one with that flute vibe I was going for. So this one was really cool. This is supposed to be sort of like jungle drum and bass, but it ended up having a lot of more of a percussion, like Latin percussion sound to it, Latin music, South American. So check this out. Kind of more of a housey type track. I've got some more drum and bass ones I'll play. This is not goodbye. Got another drum and bass type one. All right, another one, more on the drum and bass side. So more on the again on the drum and bass, I guess like intelligent. I think that's what they'd call that. Jazzy. I have a more like an 80s metal with shreddy kind of leads I'm throwing in there like this. I'll always love that stuff. Okay, and then I also have some more on the metal side. Just quick listen on those ones. All right, and this is more of a straight ahead with some jazz influenced metal. I'm a huge fan of like virtuoso music within keeping good taste. So I'm trying to make a virtuoso thing in there too. And then I have one more thing to show you. This is more on the middle side. This is also I added in there. Much more straight ahead kind of metal, like old school. So those are the all of the different vibes that I've got uploaded into this model, and I trained on it. We can go in and start playing around with the model. Mine is already ready to go, so we're not going to actually use this Good Metal 2. We're just going to use Good Mood Metal 1. And so let's get in there and start playing around with things. The first thing you want to do to start playing with your new music and your new model is go up to your this icon here where you'd normally do the Suno version drop downs. But at the very top, you're going to see My Models right here. My Models. And that you will choose the one that you've created. Or you could trash it if you don't want to use it. So I've already got one ready to go, and it's trained on all of these songs that I just showed you. And so I will go ahead and click that one. And then let's go through. I've already got a few cooked up here. And then we'll go and create some more. But the first one here is a instrumental only. So I'll pull in the styles so we can check it out real quick that I already used. All right, so once you have picked that you're running on your model, you can do whatever you want. You can put in new lyrics, you can add new styles, and then you can start cooking away and having fun with it. So for example, in this one, this is my prompt that I used. I still kind of put in what I was going for, just as I mentioned, like kind of that signature sound. Now, I think in this one, I didn't get everything I wanted, but what's cool about this is you can start iterating and experimenting and getting a lot closer to that sound you wanted because you've trained the model on those sounds you already have. So this one was pretty interesting. It's very like jazz fusion, kind of like contemporary smooth jazz, but very virtuoso. So I'll hit play. Again, you might not like every element, but you'll be refining your sound as you go. And I'm trying to push this model pretty hard. So check this one out. Very virtuoso. I would probably tune down the the flute part. I really like the metal riffs though; those were freaking awesome. So let's do another one. Example here. It'll say custom model here. That's how you know right here. If you see my little glove, custom. All right. So I pulled in the lyrics from one of my existing songs to try it out. So I've got some lyrics here and my meta tags, and then that it also says virtuoso R&B male singer. So I even tried to add another element. Let's see if I can get kind of like an R&B type or pop type singer in there versus like a screamer or like a metal singer. And roughly the same for everything else. I still think I didn't get the drum and bass on this either, but let me hit play on this one, give this a listen. Let's try another one. Same prompt.
Northwest street, blowing breeze, gentle falling rain. The times we've seen, yeah. I wonder, wonder, wonder. I wonder about you and see your face. Oh, in my mind, find a better way. Let it go.
All right, so this one, I just borrowed some lyrics from an EDM track that I had written with pretty simple lyrics. It just, you've never heard anything like this before, and a lot of like backup vocals. What I did, the only thing I changed, I think, in the prompt was I just said, instead of a R&B singer, I said virtuoso yet tastefully retrained 80s male metal singer, male singer. And I kept the weirdness and style about the same. I'll give this a play. That is so cool. Okay. So there you go. I would probably refine that more, but that is a freaking awesome, cool feature. So I hope you can see how insanely powerful this capability is now with Suno, where you can, as an artist, especially if you're that kind of artist who's worried, you feel like you have like a musical ADHD a little bit, in the sense of, I love so many genres. Like, I want to incorporate all my loves. Like, if you want to kind of have that luxury brand, that DNA, that uniqueness of you, without your music getting too weird and without spending a lot of time wasted on experimenting on things that don't turn out great, now you can iterate very quickly, start pulling in all of these unique vibes that you like into your Suno model based on songs you've already written before, or tracks you already have, or even things you've already generated with Suno, and start crafting that trademark sound that's just you and uniquely humanly you. And then from there, you can really build that brand, build that sound as an artist, start testing things out, put it out on SoundCloud, wherever, start getting feedback on the sounds that that your audience likes too. And this way, essentially, now you have a way to put more of you into your music and make it sound really good, and start narrowing down what your unique style is. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below of ideas you'd like to see for future videos. Thank you for watching. This is Cam with CBAI. I hope you have a good one, and take care.